Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you 4 multiplication tricks. Let's get started. First multiplication trick is multiplication with number 5. Now I have a question that how do you get the product number 5? We get either by 10 by 2 or 15 by 3, 20 by 4 and so on. But among these 10 by 2 is the smallest, so let us take 10 by 2 and let us see how to solve this trick. So first number I have 2, 4, 6, 8 into 5. You need to first write in brackets 10 by 2. Now you need to divide this number with 2 and then multiply with the number 10. So let's solve. So 2 ones 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8 and you need to multiply with 10. So our answer is here 12,340. Now let us see another example. Here I have 286 into 5. First you need to write in bracket 10 by 2. Then you need to divide this number with 2 and then multiply this number with 10. So 2 divided by 286. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 fours 8, 2 3 6 and then multiply with it 10 and answer is 1430. Now let us see another example in which we get odd number in between like 2340 into 5. First we'll write 10 by 2 in brackets. Now here you need to do the same process. Divide with 2 and multiply with 10. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2 and 2 sevens 14, 0 and then multiply with 10 which is 0 and our answer is 11,700. Or you can do another method which is combine this odd number with the next successor number. Then you can do it easily. 2 ones 2 and how we need to divide this 34 number with 2 and answer will be 17, 0 and 0. Done. Now let us see how to solve if we get odd number in the end. So I have number 4753 into 5. First you need to write 10 by 2. Now this time first we'll multiply with 10 and then divide the number with 2 because we don't have any even number ending in the end. So let first multiply then divide. So an answer will be 4730 and divided by 2. 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 sevens 14, 2 6 12 and 0. 5. Yeah. And answer is 23,765. Let us see another example. 8531 into 5. First we will multiply with 10 and then divide it by 2. 85310 divided by 2. 2 fours 8, 2 twos 4, 2 6 12, 2 fives 10, 2 fives 10 and answer is 42,655. Now let us move to second multiplication trick which is multiplication with number 11. So if they ask you 24 into 11, you can solve within seconds. Like you need to write 24 as it is by giving a gap between like this 2 and 4. Now you need to add this number 2 and 4 and write the sum in this between. 2 plus 4 is 6 and your answer is here. Next solve another example. 36 into 11. Here you need to write the same process. 3 and 6 here. 3 plus 6 the sum is 9. So our answer is 396. Now let us see an example if this both sum is more than 9. Like if we get number 77 into 11. Simple, do the same. 7 and 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So we'll write 4 here and carry over here. And our answer will become 847. Let's see like this another example. 94 into 11. 9 and 4 will be here only. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we'll add here 1, 3 and answer is 1034. This trick will only be applicable for 2-digit number only. Let's see the third trick, which is multiplication with number 99. So here I have an example, 99 into 36. So first you need to separate number 1 from 36, which is 35, and then you need to subtract 35 from 99, which is 64. 99 into 64. So first you need to subtract number 1 from 64, which is 63, and subtract number 63 from 99, which is 36. Now let us see another example, 99 into 89. Here 88, then subtract this number, which is 8811. Now let us see another example, 99 into 72, 71 and 28. Done. Now let us see the last trick, which is multiplication with number itself, which is 22 into 22, 33 into 33, and so on. So let us see how to solve it. 2 2's 4, 2 2's 4. We need to add this both. Our answer will be 8, and add these numbers 4, 8, 4, and answer is 484. Let us see another example. 33 into 33. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. When you add them, you get your answer 18, and our answer is 1089. Let's see another example, 77 into 77. 7 7 is 49, 7 7 is 49. And here our answer is 98. So you need to leave one's place and then write the numbers. Here under place there is nothing, so we'll add the 9 here. So our answer will be in here 18, 19, 5 9 2 9. Let us see another example, which is 99 into 99. 9 9's 81, 9 9's 81, and this sum is 162. Leave one's place and write 2. Under plus there is nothing, 6 here and 1 here. Now add this 1, 10, and you need to add this carry over to this 1. 6 7 8 9, and our answer is here 9801. Hope you all guys liked my all 4 multiplication tricks. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want more tricks like this, subscribe our channel and follow us.